Okay, here's the aftermath. It stopped raining. Pork Chop Creek is back in its banks. It's down about 6 feet now. So down at least 6 feet. It's probably down 8 feet from where it was. But that is still 5 feet above where it normally is. Normally it's way down there. You see all the sand. You can see all the sand that came up. Look at these sand dunes. We had the hurricane came through whenever that was, and there was not this much sand that was kicked up on the shore. I think this is one of the worst ever. You can see here's where we stack our firewood, and you can see the debris that it caught from the river flow. Be careful near that river. Look at these beautiful beaches that we have. We're going to have to put up volleyball nets. Awesome. You gotta be careful right there. That's unstable. Look, it's already cracking.